Hello guys, welcome to my channel Gulf Recruiters. Today we are having more requirements. Let's jump into our first requirement for a leading construction company like site engineer, senior site engineer, project engineer, construction manager, quantity surveyor, project manager, planning engineer, land surveyor, HSC officer, project, HSC manager, cost control engineer. Interested candidates can directly send their CVs to the given email address in the advertisement. Another requirement for Almira company is like directly walk-in interview. The candidates was already eligible in Qatar, they only can able to apply for this particular requirement. Another requirement for architectural engineer, architectural draftsman. Interested candidates can directly apply to the given email address or even WhatsApp to the given number in the advertisement. Another requirement for company name AG Car Services. They require technician, painter, junior technician, denter, senior technician. It's for the Abu Dhabi location. You can directly apply on the given WhatsApp number. Another requirement for company Echo, it requires guest service agent, lobby ambassador, telephone operator, waiter and waitress, reservation supervisor, reservation agents, telesale agents. Only those who are available in UAE can eligible for this particular position. Another requirement, it's like a walk-in interview for AC, HVAC, chiller technician, BMS operator, electromechanical technician, civil technician, tipping flow attendant, heavy and light mechanical equipment operator, site supervisor or assistant site supervisors like soft service directly walk in for the interview. Another requirement for the company name Eurotech Garage. They require telesales lady, mechanic for German cars, electricians for German cars, and driver and car inspector. Location is like Sharjah, UAE. Another requirement for Dubai Canals and Cattery. They require receptionist, office coordinator, assistant veterinary nurse. Interested candidates can directly apply to the email address given over here. Another requirement for AC, HVAC chiller technician, BMS operator, electromechanical technician. You can directly visit to the interview location given in the advertisement. Another requirement for product manager for Canada position, and largest technology venture capitalist firm is hiring product managers. Salary up to 250,000 plus industry standards benefit. You can apply directly to the given email address. Another requirement for sales engineer. Its location is Doha, Qatar. Interested candidates can directly apply to the given email address. Another requirement for MEP company in Qatar looking for hiring plumbing and drainage foreman. Interested candidates can send their CVs to the given email address or even can contact direct. Another requirement for invoicer for sales is location for Doha, Qatar. Interested candidates can directly send their CVs on the WhatsApp. Another requirement for a company, they are looking for a senior accountant position who can join immediately with transferable visa. Interested candidates can directly send their CVs to their WhatsApp number given over here. If you find our video useful, press the like button and subscribe our channel for more updates.